So everybody gets their bars, they lean them up against the wall, and the first team to get started putting the cage in was the S10.
Where we come from, we do a lot of streetcar stuff. So we keep full interiors in cars, and that's just kind of how we build them. So normally when we build a cage, or we do a cage in a car, we put bars on the back side of the dashes so that you got a ton of leg room to get in. And S10's kind of tight anyways with small doors and whatnot. We went ahead and just cut them and started fitting them up.
The S10 guys, they don't ask questions, they just start going forward, they just start whittling on their bar. They cut a couple feet off of each end of the tube. They think, well, it's just extra tubing for the build. Well, when the Mustang guys finally got started to put their bars in, they were about a foot too short.
We were told, don't take nothing from the roll cage until we know for sure it fits the car. We get our cage, and it's for the S10. Our is already cut up in their truck.
Well, then a little bit later, the other guys came over and said, hey, I think those are our bars because these ones don't fit our car. Well, by then we already had them cut in. It was like, oh man, sorry guys, we're already there, like we can't do anything with it.
We're trying to have the cage done tomorrow.
Cage would have been done
Tomorrow Sunday. They're gonna order it Monday and try to have it for Tuesday. So you do the math.
From day one, we're already running into big problems. I hope they can get it figured out in time.
One of the big rules for fabrication is measure twice, cut once. We've got teams here that cut once, then measure.